Everybody fucking jump!
Welcome back to the Ozone Shoe Believers. As you can see by this video, we're shining to get you guys a little bit of box action. If you know what this box is, then you know what these are already. See the chrome, metallic chrome Jumpman on the box. Let's get you guys a little bit of label action, small label gang. Let's let it focus. This one reads the Air Jordan 6 Retro, black, metallic silver, and black, aka the Jordan 6 Retro Chromes. I have the gold DMP pack. I have a platinum one, I believe. I may even have a chrome one already. Let's get this out the box. I really like this pair. I don't like the nubuck that they use. Got these for other people. So everybody said they wanted pairs of this shoe. I got one pair for myself. Like I said, I may never wear it. I don't believe, like I said, the nubuck is going to hold up, or the Dorabuck. But let's get through the shoe. All nubuck upper. More nubuck on the side to the silver chrome highlights at the bottom. Icy blue Jordan 6 bottom. Overall, not a bad shoe. Like I said, I just don't think it's going to last. 23s on the back. It's like a little plastic 23. Chrome plastic backing up here to match it. Same hits on this side of the shoe. All above the Nike Air Bubble. Icy blue bottom. Standard Jordan 6 bottom. Like I said, there's one icy blue with this one. It should help a bit. I think it still might fade out a bit. But all in all, my opinion, this is still a good shoe. Got a little bit of top action. So you get the little lace lock. And they put a little, you can't see it because my light's messing it up, with some metallic type plastic Jumpman on there. Like I said, all nubuck side. Chrome accents above the blue. Not a bad shoe. All in all. Got a little bit of chrome on a little bit of the pieces. But it is what it is. Plastic 23 on the back. Feels kind of weird. Chrome upper back panel as well. Same on this side. It looks like Nike let a little bit of the chrome paint get onto the blue. That's not too good. But all in all, not bottom. Not bad bottom. You know what you guys think about these Jordan 6 Chromes. Did you get a pair? Did you pass? Are you going to get a pair of these? Let you see what they're going to look like when they're on your feet. Alright guys, let me know what shoes you're buying. What shoes you want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!